Hello. Today we have another repair. Now this is going to be an easy repair. I don't know if I should even upload it. We have a MacBook Air A1466. I think it's Mac Air 2015. The battery is dead. The customer also sent us a used battery that he wants to replace it with. So although I don't think it's a good idea replacing a old battery with another old battery. Now you can give advice, but you can't really tell the customer what to do, right? So let's take it apart and let's see if we can replace this battery nice and quickly. And let's see if this battery that the customer sent us, it's even working. If the battery is not working, it's all a waste of time. So let's hope the battery is working. Okay, so pressing the power button, nothing happens. Yeah, let's change the battery and see if we are better. So the laptop is open. Let's mark this battery. Okay, now this battery is been replaced already. If you check out in here, it says loader. We first start by unplugging this battery. Okay, and now let's remove it. Okay, we have a large screw top right. We have a large screw in the middle, the same size. We have another large screw in here on the top left. Now on the bottom we have two screws. These are smaller size screws. Now this battery is very easy to replace. There's no glue, there's nothing. Once you remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws, the battery just comes out like this. Now let's see this battery. This looks like an original battery. It was designed by Apple. So before plugging in the battery, let's put the screws in. Whoa, what is it? Wait, I just seen something. Nothing to worry about. I thought there's some liquid. There's one component in there under some mask, but there's nothing to worry about. Looks like that's how it's supposed to be. So let's see. Now let's plug the battery in. You don't want to play with this battery, connect it while it's not screwed properly, because you might lift it, you might open it, the battery fell down, breaks the connector, put the screws, pressing the power button, the fan is spinning now. So this battery has some power. Okay, so let me plug in the charger, see if we get orange light. Okay, give me a second. Plug in the charger. We got green and we got orange light. You can see it's orange light, right? Now the SMC is being reset. There's the customer photo here, so I have to edit it. Okay, let me go to the battery. The battery shows 61%. This battery also shows that it needs to be repaired. Now the fan just starts spinning like crazy. Okay, now it's gone back. Battery shows like 61%. Removing the charger. It's holding. Now I am going to calibrate this battery. Okay, I'm going to calibrate this battery, and we'll let the customer know what is the actual power value this battery has. Now let me turn it off. Now this battery should have 54.4 watt hour or 7,500 milliwatt hour. Okay, we'll have to run some tests on this battery and see what the value are. If we see that the battery is nowhere near or is not holding charge as good as it should, then we will let the customer know and maybe replace it with a new battery. And just put the screws back in. You have two large in the middle. Alright, then you have the rest of them are the same size. Make sure they well tight, so if you pass the finger they are flat with the surface or a little bit, just a tiny bit in. So if you put it on a table or something, it doesn't scratch your table or something. Okay, if the screw is not going in right when you screw it, it should just screw nice and easy. If it doesn't, then maybe the screw is moved, and that is the problem. Okay, but for now let's try it again. It's on, it's charging. We'll have to run some tests. This was the video. If you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.